And hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to bring you into Hartley Lodge, number 199, here in Lakeport, California. So this is their building here, as you can probably see. It's pretty nice, actually. I would try to go across the road, but it's a little busy right in here. But they actually own this whole building here. They rent out the front portion, and they actually meet in this doorway right back here. That's where they have their meetings. So I'll give you a tour of this lodge building, and I'll take a look around and show you what they're all made of, basically. So come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. So it looks like they're having a book donation drive and something going on. And then through this door here to the left, looks like this is the way into their lodge area. This talks about Hartley Lodge 100th anniversary. Looks like they were founded in 1869. And they have this. Interesting. We're going to go upstairs because there's a elevator here. So we're going to take it. Awesome. And I just got off the elevator and look at this dining room. Isn't that nice? My guess is they've got an Eastern Star here. Like the ornateness. Got pictures of their officers. I really like this. A lot of them lodges, all you see is their past masters. You don't see their past officers on that particular year. That's right. I don't know going in here. I love the consistent colors that they have on here. The squares, like they do. They actually have that on the outside of the building also. Restroom, yay. We'll close that door. We've got lots of tapestries. I guess this is actually vinyl here. Some of them are. Nice little touches. And you can see that here's their wall of past masters. They've got them all up here from 1869. They were chartered in 68, I believe. And this building came to be in 1906. They built it, and there was a great earthquake in this area that took down a lot of this building, and they ended up redoing it, and it put it to rubble. They made a fire retardant brick that they built the next one out of, and then there was a fire here in 1926. Check out this. Oh, it won't open. It probably locked from the inside, but it's a huge sliding door. So in 1926, there was a large fire here in Lakeport, took out all of downtown, except for this building. It was the only one left. And this is a statue at, I guess, Macedonia Lodge over near the coast from here. It's actually made out of redwood, but it's life size. I'm gonna have to go take an extra trip over there to go see that. So let's go on into the big room. I like these little rugs they have here. But it is a beautiful room. I love all the little extra accents they have here. They got some Yorkite swords going on there. There's a pull down screen, so they may use that for some of their degree work. But look at that back there. Oh, check out that moon. It's laying down, isn't it? I don't see many moons laying down. It's about a standard size. Definitely older furniture here. And I asked about this here, what he's got this. They said he did. It's just display. They don't ever use that right there. Good sized staff. It's about 14 to 18 inches tall. Gavel, not a setting maul. One of the few I've seen here in the state of California. So many of them use setting mauls. Like that old chair. Check out this. It's a working level. Nice. I guess it's sticking a little bit right in there. That's awesome. I love it. So different. columns here for your celestial globe. Nice boat, huh? How about that boat? That's a lot different than some of the other boats. So consistently, I'm seeing that in the state of California. They've all got a boat over top of this door, and this is the door that was locked from the other side. It's really a wide door. It's probably, gosh, I'd say 5 feet wide. It's a massive door. Those globes are big too. They're a little bigger than the ones you'd find in a school. Definitely larger than a basketball. Got seating all the way down here, but I want to show you some of these tapestries they have up here on the wall. These are really nice touches, only because so many lodges I see, gosh, they got all this blank space up here, and they don't do anything at all with it. I wish more would do items like these. They must have printed that off of somewhere. Probably someone had a printer, because it's a little blurry. That one is. The rest of them look great. Got that one. Yeah, I think it's a vinyl. Let me check. Yeah, it's not a vinyl. It's a polyester. It's printed on polyester, so it's not woven or anything like that. They got a lot of them, like that one there in the back. Such a nice accent. Little baby grand back here in the corner. Treasurer's desk. Senior deacon would sit there to the right. So there is Hartley. If you notice here, they got a holder here. That holder is going to be where they're going to put their charter, because I don't see a charter in this room. Therefore, they cannot have a meeting in this room unless they have a charter someplace. Charter doesn't have to be displayed on the wall as long as it's in the room. So they normally put them in a tube, and they'll bring that tube out here is what they'll do. That'll have their charter in it. Like that big square compass. Let's check it out. Good size. Looks like it lights up. I don't see a lot of that either. Normally I see it's just a standard G that's up there without the square and compasses on it. Check out this baton. I said before some other videos that the batons are so different. They're so unique. I don't think I've ever seen one built like that. This is actually kind of small. You can really wield it. Most of the others I see are about twice as heavy. I like that nice little holder here, so you can put it on there. That's such a neat. And they actually use their Marshall to do different things. Oh, they got some working tools down here. Don't think I've ever seen that before. It's like a toolbox kind of setup, isn't it? Nice. Really cool. There you go. Secretary's desk is there. I like that one there. They really did a good job finding just the right pieces in here. Not all cluttered with stuff, but just some nice little touches of some popular scenes in masonry. And check this out. There's not a stand here. It's a holder they've actually attached to the side of the wood. Never seen one of those. That's actually a piece of leather. Huh. Never seen that before. I love those things I've never seen before. Or a plum that big. That's not painted on the side of the wall. That's actually just like that other one. It's actually a movable piece. Interesting. Such a cool looking lodge room. Really like it. I may use that picture for the picture out front. The altar here is a little smaller than I thought it would be. It looks like there's a... Ooh, they got a nice little slider there. Don't know what that might be for. Well, kind of do, but I'm not going to talk about it here. Uh-oh, I think I turned it wrong direction. There we go. It's a turner. It's a nice set, but it's kind of short. It's maybe 2 feet tall, 2.5 maybe. Oops, I see, or at least 3. I'll take a look at this Bible. I said this is their display Bible. Isn't normally the one that they use for opening because it is a little older than this one. Let's take a look at it because I always like to look at the Bibles. I'd like to see what they have in here as far as pictures. I don't see anything that says Masonic on it. I do see Masonic logo on the outside of it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so it's a little bit like we saw one of these other Bibles that had, oh, there we go, Free and Accepted Masonry. This is a Masonic Bible. So they talk about Masonry in here, questions and answers, Order Eastern Star. Normally I see Scottish Rite in here also. Alphabetical Encyclopedia. Let's see if there's any. Yeah, I don't see any pictures in here. Well, there's one. You know that other Bible I just showed you in our last video, it had smaller black and white pictures in the text area. There was another picture there. Just flip through. Anyway, nice Bible though. I like it. I like it. It's a nice set. Good looking lodge. So if you ever find yourself at Clear Lake, which is actually the largest freshwater lake solely in California, it's about 69 square miles. So it's good size. How do I know that? I just looked it up yesterday. So it's a large lake, but this is Lakeport. Sits right on the water. Beautiful little town. It's got about 5,000 people here in the city, and the supporting area is about 9,000 to 10,000 people. So maybe 12. So there's a large community in the local area. But if you get a chance, come visit this lodge, Hartley Lodge, number 199 here in Lakeport, California. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like, subscribe, and if you feel like joining the channel for $3 whole, you can get these videos early. That's right, just as soon as I post them, because you probably won't see this one till May if you're not a member. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. See you on that road, because I'm gonna get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.